Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, let's start the video. Teaching plan, date, class 6, subject English, duration 40 minutes, learning outcomes. Children are able to read the paragraph and answer the questions based on the text. Children can write short answers for questions beginning with what, who, where, when, how, etc. Topic: Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Teaching learning material: textbook, chalk, blackboard, pictures of some freedom fighters, Diksha app. Teaching learning process: in the beginning of teaching, the teacher will show some pictures of freedom fighters to the students and ask some questions. Children, recognize these pictures of some great persons who gave the slogan Jai Hind. Who is known as Netaji, who formed Indian National Army. This will be a problematic question for the students. Now during the teaching, the teacher will tell the students that today we will read the chapter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The teacher will read the chapter with proper rhythm and correct pronunciation. The teacher will tell the Hindi meaning of the chapter also. The duration of the teaching will be 25 minutes. The teacher will tell the students that Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji, was a great freedom fighter. He was very much influenced by the nationalist Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, his political guru. He went away to Singapore and formed Indian National Army, INA, also known as Azad Hind Fauj. He gave the slogan Dilli Chalo and Jai Hind. He inspired his army through his great words, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," to make his motherland free from the rule of the Britishers. Then the teacher will ask the students to write meaning of difficult words from the blackboard. Blackboard work. Word meaning: freedom fighter, स्वतंत्रता सेनानी, brilliant, प्रतिभाशाली, resigned, इस्तीफा दिया, influenced, प्रभावित किया, nationalist, राष्ट्रवादी, motivated, अभिप्रेरित किया, struggle, संघर्ष, opposed, विरोध किया, unsolved, अनसुलझी, everlasting, स्थायी. After the teaching, the teacher will show them video on Diksha app related to the chapter. The teacher will ask them to pronounce the difficult words with correct pronunciation and write them in their notebooks. Home assignment. Answer the following questions. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as Netaji? When and where was Subhash Chandra Bose born? Who was the political guru of Subhash Chandra Bose? What does INA stand for? Thanks for watching the video.